Do you know the right way to brush your teeth? Now that's a question that might have you scratching your head. After all, you've been brushing your teeth for years, right? But here's the thing. There's more to brushing than meets the eye. It's not just about keeping your teeth shiny and white. Brushing your teeth correctly is a crucial part of maintaining your overall oral health. Doing it wrong can lead to a whole host of problems. Ever heard of cavities? Gum disease? Yeah, those aren't just tall tales your dentist tells you to scare you into flossing. They're real, and they can be the result of poor brushing techniques. So whether you're a toothbrushing novice or a seasoned pro, there's always room for improvement. Let's dive into the world of proper toothbrushing techniques. In the next few minutes, discover the best way to brush your teeth for optimal oral health. The key to effective brushing begins with the right tools. Picture this. An artist doesn't paint a masterpiece with a worn-out brush, do they? The same concept applies to your oral hygiene. Your toothbrush is your primary tool. Opt for one with soft bristles versus hard. Hard bristles can be too abrasive, causing damage to your gums and enamel. Next up, we have your toothpaste. Fluoride toothpaste is a wise choice, as fluoride aids in strengthening the enamel and prevents cavities. It's like a protective shield for your teeth, fighting against decay. Now, let's not forget about dental floss. It reaches those spots your toothbrush can't, removing plaque and food particles and keeping your gums healthy. And for those who want to step up their game, consider an electric toothbrush. They can provide a more thorough clean, especially for those hard-to-reach places. Equipped with the right tools, you are now ready to take on the task of proper brushing. Now, embark on the journey to cleaner, healthier teeth. Let's embark on the step-by-step guide to brushing your teeth. This simple yet essential routine is often overlooked, but with the right technique, you're on your way to a brighter and healthier smile. Firstly, start by holding your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums. This angle is optimal as it allows the bristles to slide under the gum line, dislodging any hidden plaque. Now ready your brush, but remember, this isn't a race. Move the brush gently back and forth in short, tooth-wide strokes. To ensure you're not brushing too hard, imagine you're polishing a delicate piece of silver. The bristles should graze the teeth and gums, not scrub them. Next, firstly, start by applying this circular motion to the outer surfaces of your teeth, ensuring each tooth gets its moment in the spotlight. The circular motion helps to effectively remove plaque and food particles that may be stubbornly clinging to your teeth. But don't forget about the back teeth. They also deserve some attention. Tilt the brush vertically and make several up and down strokes to clean the inside surfaces of the front teeth. This is where plaque often builds up and is commonly missed. Now, let's not forget the tongue. Brushing your tongue isn't just about fresh breath, it also helps to eliminate bacteria that could lead to tooth decay. So gently brush your tongue from back to front. Finally, this routine should be repeated twice a day, every day, once in the morning and once at night. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining oral health. And that's it. You've just leveled up your brushing technique, but don't rush off just yet. Remember, take your time. A thorough clean usually takes about 2 minutes. So slow down, enjoy the process, and let your teeth reap the benefits of a proper clean. After all, a healthy smile is a happy smile. While brushing seems simple enough, common mistakes can compromise your oral health. Let's delve into these errors to help you maintain that dazzling smile. Firstly, brushing too hard. It's a common misconception that the harder you brush, the cleaner your teeth get. That's not the case. Overzealous brushing can lead to sensitive teeth and receding gums. Remember, it's not about the force, but the technique. Secondly, not brushing long enough. It's recommended to brush for 2 full minutes twice a day. Anything less and you're not giving your teeth the thorough clean they deserve. Think of it as a 2-minute mini vacation for your mouth. A third mistake is forgetting to replace your toothbrush regularly. Over time, bristles become frayed and lose their effectiveness. Aim to switch out your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months or sooner if the bristles are visibly matted or frayed. Lastly, neglecting certain areas of the mouth. Many people focus on the front teeth, but it's equally important to clean those hard-to-reach molars. They're the real workhorses of your mouth, grinding up all the food you eat, so give them the attention they deserve. In addition, don't forget your tongue. Bacteria love to hide there, and brushing your tongue can help keep your breath fresh. Avoid these pitfalls to ensure you're getting the most out of your brushing routine. Brushing is only one part of the equation when it comes to maintaining healthy teeth. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've covered in this video. First, we discussed the importance of proper toothbrushing techniques, including the angle at which you hold your brush and the circular motion you should use to clean each tooth effectively. We then explored the right tools for the job, from the type of brush to the kind of toothpaste that best suits your needs. Following that, we delved into a step-by-step guide to brushing, emphasizing the importance of not rushing the process and ensuring that all parts of the mouth are given adequate attention. Finally, we shed light on common mistakes in brushing, like brushing too hard or neglecting to clean certain areas of the mouth. But remember, brushing is just the first step. Regular dental checkups and professional cleanings are crucial for maintaining optimal oral health. Dentists are equipped with the necessary tools and expertise to spot potential issues early and provide treatment, which can prevent more serious problems down the line. They can also remove hardened plaque that regular brushing can't, keeping your teeth and gums in top shape. In conclusion, the journey to healthy teeth and gums is a combination of proper brushing, using the right tools, avoiding common mistakes, and regular dental checkups. Remember, the right way to brush your teeth can help ensure a healthy smile for a lifetime. So keep brushing and don't forget to smile.